Right now, your body is actively manufacturing a pool of acid so highly concentrated that it can dissolve solid steel. This hydrochloric acid relentlessly tears apart the complex proteins found in the food you consume, stripping them down into usable nutrients. The biological dilemma is that human organs and tissues are primarily composed of the exact same proteins this acid is designed to destroy. This lethal chemical lacks any inherent targeting system. If left unchecked, the acid pooled inside you right now would trigger a total internal organ meltdown in a matter of hours. This acid sits directly in the center of your torso, held in dangerously close proximity to your other vital, unprotected soft tissue organs. Since the chemical cannot differentiate between a piece of steak and your own living flesh, a massive mystery remains. Why doesn't it burn a hole straight through your abdomen? Your stomach operates as an active, hostile battleground, waging a constant war against its own biology. The body's first line of defense is a specialized shield. Your stomach lining continuously secretes a thick coating of alkaline mucus across its entire interior. This diagram illustrates the reaction. As acidic particles rain down, they are neutralized upon contact with the basic alkaline barrier. This creates a microscopic safe zone at the cellular boundary, where delicate living tissue exists safely beneath the turbulent chemical reaction happening micrometers away. But this system is imperfect. The sheer volume and turbulence of the acid constantly wear down the mucus, allowing corrosive particles to eventually leak through. Because a static shield cannot provide permanent protection, the stomach relies on a much more extreme biological solution to stay ahead of the decay. Whenever the acid breaches that mucus layer, the underlying epithelial cells are stripped away and destroyed. To survive, the stomach operates as a hyperactive biological factory, relying on aggressive, continuous, high-speed replacement to maintain its integrity. Deep within the lining, healthy cells divide and multiply at staggering speeds, pushing upward in a frantic, continuous wave to replace the surface casualties. This cellular division is so relentless that your entire stomach lining is completely digested and replaced from scratch every 3 days. This chart highlights the radical nature of that 72-hour cycle. The brief lifespan of a stomach cell is dwarfed by skin cells, which last weeks, and red blood cells, which survive for months. Ultimately, the stomach survives by outrunning its own destruction, winning a high-speed race of cellular replacement. Your digestive system functions like a high-intensity furnace, an environment that must be constantly fed and physically rebuilt just to keep the fire contained. Operating on this rapid 72-hour cycle means you grow a completely new stomach lining more than 100 times every single year. The physical tissue that processed your meals last week no longer exists. It has already been digested by your own body. Survival in this extreme environment comes from possessing the energy for relentless, violent creation. The very organ keeping you alive is actively trying to destroy you, and you only survive by continually rebuilding yourself from the inside out.